Welcome to the first Rapid Lit video in which I highlight something from the literacy essentials in 5 minutes or less. Today, let's look at making connections with vocabulary. You can use high-quality read-alouds to teach vocabulary to your students. In this book, Ada Twist Scientist, the author uses the word quivered. First, I would tell the students that quiver means to tremble or shake. Essential 2 Bullet 3 says, read-alouds involve child-friendly explanations of words within the text and revisiting of those words after reading, using tools such as movement. In this case, I would have all students practice quivering or shaking. Props. I could demonstrate to my class using a cookie sheet and some blocks what a quiver in the land would look like and could do. This brings up a great connection to earthquakes as well. Video. In this video, a student explains what quiver means and gives a few examples.
Quiver. Quiver is a verb that means to shake.
Using a photo. In this photo, hands are quivering. This brings us back to movement as students could practice quivering their hands like the picture. Using examples and using the word in a sentence like, I knew Jill was upset when her lips started to quiver. Giving non-examples and antonyms. The opposite of quiver is stillness. Having the students actually say the word out loud with you. Using the word throughout the day. You could have a word of the day and give points to the class for using the word throughout the day in their speech or in their writing. And using the word over time. Keep a list of words learned posted where students can see it and refer to it throughout your year. Thank you for watching this Rapid Lit video. Learn more about the Essential Instructional Practices at literacyessentials.org.